All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you Microsoft Clarity. We use this for a ton of our clients to basically get a better understanding of how their customers visit their website, what they are looking at, and how we can use it to get better results. So to briefly describe what Microsoft Clarity is, it is a tool, it's free, that you can add to any website via a tag or through their third-party connectors. And basically what it does is that it shows heat maps, it shows attention maps, and it shows where people click on a person's website, so then you can see user data and generally make updates based off of what you're seeing. So we use it for a variety of things. We have two sets of clients, one which are med spas and one which are e-commerce. And the things that we'll do is basically if we're running an ad, maybe let's say for med spa, it's weight loss, then we will make sure that the Clarity tag is on a weight loss landing page or on the page that we're sending the ad to. And from there, we'll be able to see the book nows, we'll be able to see where people are getting stuck on information and generally understand, where do we need to adjust? We also do the same for e-commerce, so generally it's a little bit broader, but we will look at things like add to carts, how people interact with products, images, descriptions, things like that. So that's a brief overview of Microsoft Clarity and how we use it. To get into more of the nitty-gritty, so let's use that example of trying to get a better understanding of how people use a certain landing page. So I have our landing page up. If you want to go check it out, it's ProfitPandas.io. That's our website. And what we'll do is we'll add it to, of course, the website, and I will include a disclaimer that we add to all of our websites when we add Clarity to make sure that you're in the good and people know that you're recording them. So this is the dashboard when you look into it. It's got a lot of different features here. We're not using every single one for our own landing page, but you can see things like top pages, performance overviews. You can even see things like where traffic is being referred to via, maybe you have an ad running, maybe you're doing through social media, things like that. But the main thing that we're going to look at today is in this section, recordings and heat maps. So these two are really important because this is where you're actually going to see your user data. So there's a few different things. We're going to start with recordings. This one's kind of a more intuitive section, I guess. And here you can change the date range. So let's say I want to do the last 30 days. I'll put this here. And from what you can do then is sort by, maybe date, duration, number of clicks. So for the purposes of demonstration, I'll just do one that has a lot of clicks. And here it will bring up the actual page. And on top of it, it can show you a recording of how people are using the website and where they're clicking. So right now I'm not even moving the screen, and this is the recording. So that's one way you can do it. Another way is through the heat maps, and this has a lot more information. So it'll bring you to a lot of different pages. Because this is a one-page website, it'll just have one page. From here, again, you can change the date range, you can change the URL, and this is where it gets more detailed. So from here, you can actually see where people are clicking. You can see things like scroll depth. So this is how deep in the page people are getting and where people are generally stopping. You can see things like attention. So this is how long someone is looking at the page and how long they stay on certain pages. So those are a few different ways that we can be able to see, maybe, someone is doing a bunch of clicks over and over again on an element and it's not going anywhere. Maybe we need to make that clickable, or maybe we need to move it. So that's one way that we use it. And then as we move on, so in terms of implementation, what we do is every week we take a screenshot of these data points, and what we'll do then is make sure that they are updated appropriately. So if I go back to the dashboard, you can see here rage clicks, dead clicks, excessive scrolling, and quickbacks. Based off of that data, then we will go ahead and make the updates to the website. So with all of this information, it's been really great for us to better understand how our clients can leverage their most valuable assets online, their website, to drive more traffic, get more sales, and overall have a better user experience. Obviously, some of this stuff might look complex to you, so if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. We'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have. And also, don't forget to subscribe. We'll be posting more videos like this about ads, websites, and CRO. Thanks so much.